You need to ask the right questions in order to get the right answers. In school life, in college life, in academic life for that matter, what matters most are your answers, because based on that you get your marks, you get your grades. But in the real world scenario, in practical life, what matters most are your questions. So say for instance, things are not going well with you, and if you continuously keep asking these questions, why things are not good with me, what is wrong with me, you actually end up feeling low, sad, rejected, and many a times you may experience emotions of fear, anger, anxiety, nervousness and insecurity. But what if I change the nature of questions? What best can be done in this situation? Is this a permanent phase of my life? Is this permanent, or is this just a phase? Whom can I approach from help? Whom should I connect with? What are the things that are to be done immediately in order to come out of this situation? By asking these kind of questions, I have now shifted my attention, my time, my energy on the solution rather than on the problem. And then the turnaround comes place. Then there is a 360-degree change. So basically the point here is the right questions gives you the right answers. There has to be a paradigm shift in thinking in order to arrive at a solution oriented mindset. So the next time if you happen to feel low, you feel trapped, there is a constant struggle within, there is a constant battle within, make sure you ask the right questions. In fact, I would say ask empowering questions to overcome disempowering beliefs.